Hello, my friends. I'm showing you the finished painting at the beginning of the video because my phone ran out of memory last night as I was bringing you in for a closer look. So I'll do that now and point out a few things. And also, I wanted to show you the finished piece because during the making of it, there were some really ugly moments. So if you want to see how I arrived at this, I hope you'll stick with it and watch the whole thing. So let me bring you in a little closer. I'm really pleased with the little tiny cells I got. That's what I was going for. Kind of reminds me of so many things. Kind of reminds me of lilacs here. And I had some weird little oblong circular shapes and then I took a skewer, not this, but a skewer, and I ran through it and kind of sharpened and curved the edge there, and as well as that light colored one in the center there. And there's the rest of it. I'm still contending with the shadow issue. It's not quite as dark as it appears, but I think I like this. This reminds me of kind of an olive branch. I did add this little one after I stopped filming because I felt it needed one more little marble twist for balance, and I'm pleased with it. I'm quite pleased. So there you go. And now let's get to the creation. Hello, my friends, and welcome to the premiere video of the challenge between Nilda of Online Painting School and myself. I hope we have some people watching. I know Nilda is. Hi, Nilda. So, this isn't the official do's and don'ts challenge, but we have challenged each other with 3 things we must do. So I'm kicking it off, and then when we're done here, we'll head over to Nilda's channel and watch what she comes up with. So Nilda has told me 3 things. Number 1, I must use purple. So I'm using Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Purple. I've mixed a good amount of that. And I must use silicone. I have added silicone to all 4 colors. And I must use a marble. Now, I've tried it once before, and I did not have a great deal of success, so it takes quite a bit of practice, but it's an interesting look, so I'm going to give it a try. So my other colors are black and white, and then yellow-green, also by Liquitex, but I added white to it to make it opaque, because on its own it's semi-transparent and it can get lost between the other opaques. Let's see, what is this one? This is opaque as well. Okay, so now I have 4 opaques, so that's good. Yes, I've added a good amount of silicone, a good 1 drop per ounce of color. And I'm going to do flip cup. And here we go. Let me show you the consistency. It's a little on the thick side. I'll put the recipe down below. I'm using a Floetrol and Liquitex Basics mix. So there we go. It's a little thick, but runny. Okay, well, let's get to it. I think I'll start with the white, actually. Probably do about 3 layers. So this is an opportunity for you to talk amongst yourselves. I'm not going to say anything interesting while I do this, so chat away. I've only done this chat thing, I think, twice, maybe 3 times, and it's quite fun. You know what? I'm going to put purple in between. I don't want the black and white next to each other. And I have more purple. So, yeah. And this. Just mix it up a little bit. I've really gotten into flip cups lately with this recipe. Makes greatly, wonderfully shaped cells. I've been very happy. Let's hope this one is no exception. But who knows? Okay, and end it with the white. Okay, that should be plenty. I have a little bit of everything left over yet, but this is a 12-inch canvas and a 9-ounce cup, so that should be adequate. I'm going to do the easy way. Okay. All right, I'm just going for it. Just kind of release it in almost a C. It's always a little nerve-wracking. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Good, good. Lots of cell action. I'm thinking that I'm going to move it around towards the edges and then hit it with a torch. And because as I add the marble and move it around, the cells are going to stretch more, and I want them to remain kind of on the petite side. So, husband's returning from the dog walk. It might get a little loud here for a second. Okay. So, here we go. I won't go all the way to the edge, but close. And that's kind of muddy, but hopefully a bunch of cells will pop up there and it'll look okay. Okay. I'm going to hit it with a torch. Good. That area especially needed the cells. Yeah, I'm torching it pretty good because I think the marble looks best going through smaller size cells from what I've seen. At least I prefer that. Okay. They're very tiny. I'm going to move it around a little more. I think I will cover the edges now. Change of plans. Stretch them out now while I can. pretty heavy with the silicone, but I like it. I like that. And I'm not even bothered by that kind of what was a muddy area before, but I'm disappointed my green kind of got lost, but oh well. Okay. Now the marble. So, where to begin? So I'm going to try to run through these large cells that I don't care for the look. So I'm going to start here, maybe do a big loop, and there. I don't know. Let's just see. Here we go. That reminds me of that wooden marble puzzle, you know, where you send the marble around the track without, you try to avoid falling in the holes. Oh, I forgot to do a loop-de-loop. Oh well. Maybe I'll do one over here. I wonder if I can pick up the marble now, what that would look like. It's kind of pretty. My hands are a mess. All right, that's good. I don't think I want to try to avoid going over, you know, overlapping where I've been. So that worked out. That left a nice little kind of feathery looking thing. This is a little squared off though. Now what? I'll go there. Oh, I don't want, I want to run it off. I didn't want to have two matchy swirlies there. Okay. So I've got this and this, but I have to unsquare that. So if I move it that way, I'm going to lose part of that, and that's pretty. So if I can maybe bring this way, let me try that. I might be done with the marble. Yeah, so the weight of the paint, I can see it's right at that squared off section, so I'm moving it towards the center and then down here. That helped. That helped a bit, but the colors, it muddied up a little bit, but it kind of reminds me of grapes and grapevine colors. I kind of like it. This is a little, I'm not happy with that right there. That's the only part. Other than that, I like it. I like those Or they look like olive branches, actually. I don't want to go crazy with the marble. I didn't think I would like the way it looked just running off the edge there, but I do like that. I wish I could tilt that off. Can I? I'm going to try. I'm liking that. Oh, I'm liking it. All right, where is the weight? I'll turn it towards you so you can watch me either succeed or make a big mistake. Okay, I think it worked, folks. Those are some cute cells, if I may say so. I think I like it. I'm happy with it. Let me take my gloves off and bring you in to look a little closer. It's nighttime, so I have to, I may have a glare from the lamp here. I can't turn it off. And the shadow. How can I avoid? I can't avoid that. Oh my goodness, I like this area right there. Sorry about that.